Okay, now we are moving to item 3. Item 3 is coming from data and probability. That's the theme where item 3 is coming from. Data and probability, and specifically it was a number about the set theory. So let us go through it properly. But here you have to define any letter that we are going to use. So to avoid writing national IDs and so on, I'm going to say we're on item 3 now, which is coming from data and probability. Okay, they're saying James been sent they want to start new offices for processing national IDs. I will say N represents national IDs, then D represents driving permits, then I also let P represent passports. So now of course we start by drawing our Venn diagram there. So Venn diagram there. Put the first set inside, followed by the second, and then the third. Okay, so here I'm going to put the number for national IDs, then here I put the number for the driving permit, then here I put the number for the passports. Okay, they are telling me that James randomly interviewed 75 people. So meaning the universal was 75 people. He found that 18 people did not have any of the 3 documents. So 18 never had any, so they were outside there. Then he continued. 30 people had driving permits. So driving permits were 30. Then 20 people, 30 people had driving permits and 20 people had passports. So those who had passports were 20. 20 people had passports. The number of people who had both national IDs and driving permits only, national IDs and driving permits only, was twice those who had passports and driving permits, but not national IDs. So it was only here. So if these are X, then these ones were 2X, because they're telling us that these ones were twice these ones. So if these are X, then these ones were 2X. 4 people had passports only. So 4 people had passports only. Then we continue. 3 people had all the 3 documents. 3 people had all the 3 documents. So 3 people there. 12 people had driving permits only. 12 had driving permits only. And then they continue. James okay, then they continue to say James has to report about the number of people who have national identity cards, but he has some missing information. Anyway, so if you want to know people who are there, we can say let them be A, then we subtract off these ones. Then this one we can let it be maybe any letter of our choice, B, to be people with only national IDs. So task A was help James find the total number of people with national IDs. So we want to find the people with national IDs there. Okay, so from here you see that we have 3 unknowns, A, B, and then X. The easiest way of getting the first unknown X is by using this set here. Now you start a number with driving permits 30. So meaning when I add everything in here, I have to get 30. So that is now 2x plus 3 plus this x, then plus 12, I get 30. So this will be 3x plus 15 equals to 30. My 3x equals to 15, and so my x is 5. So if my x is 5, then, so if x is 5, I can now use this set here to get a. So now I can say the number of people having passports were 20. So meaning when I add all these ones, I get 20. So I will start from n minus 3 plus 3 plus x, then plus 4. I should get 20. Remember my x is 5. So this one, so it's going away. So now I have a plus 5 plus 4 equals to 20. So my a will be 11. Okay, so from there, I can come and because they told me that now I want to get also b, but the number of, okay, I have to get b. So now how am I going to get b? I know that when I add this, plus this, plus this, plus this, plus this, I'll get the universal. So here I'm going to use the idea of the universal set, that they are 75. Now how do we handle that with ease? What you do, you want this, so the whole of this set is going to be 30, the whole of this set. Or you can say the whole of this set is going to be 20. So 20 plus this, plus this, plus this will give you 18. So you can use that. So now we say these ones, they are 20 plus the whole of this is going to give us 20 plus 12 plus 2x plus b, then plus the 18, we are going to get 75. So after that, we can now just rearrange. So from here, we are going to get our 30 plus this to get 50. So 50 plus 2, our x, remember, is 5, plus b, giving us 75. So this one is going to be 60, because this will be 10 plus this, so 60 plus b equals 75, and see that my b is going to be 15. So part A, they wanted us to get, after doing this, you can come and reconstruct our set there without any unknown. So I come here, the universal is 75, then I draw my set there. Okay, now this is the number of people with national IDs. We have yet to find their number. Number of people with driving permits, and they are 30. Then the number of people with passports, they are 20. So here we've seen our B is 15. Then 2x, this is 10. Then this is 12. 3x is 5. Then A was 11 minus 3. That is 8. Then here we have 4. Then we have there 18. So if you answer part A, they are asking for the number of people with national IDs. So number of people with national IDs will be, we add these ones, 15 plus 10 plus 3 plus 8. So this will be 11 plus 10, that is 21, plus 15, that is 36. So you respond the number of people. Okay, you can say there are 36 people with national IDs. There, 36 people with national IDs. You respond always, don't forget. So part B, determine if there is a need for a new office in the region, give a reason for your answer. Now they told us that they are going to have new offices if the probability of the of a person having only one document is less than 50. So we first come and get people with only one document. So people with only one document will be only one, this, and this. So we have 15 plus 12 plus 4, 16 plus this, that would be 31. Now we get their probability, or their probability or percentage. Their percentage will be 31 over 75 times 100. What do we get there? We are getting 41. I'm going to give it one decimal place, 41.3%. But I told us that to construct new offices, the probability, the percentage of people having only one document should be less than 50, and it's our case there. So there is a need to construct a new office. So you respond to part B. The question was, determine if there is need. There is a need. There is a need for a new office. The reason, since people with one document are 41.3% less than 50%.